I'm gonna be this, but
Okay.
I'm gonna save this part for next Halloween, and I'm gonna wear this for cat cow, and then I already have one in here, and then have this on my face,
Mhm.
and then Dashiell's gonna be a bunny. He has a little tail and a hat place and a little bow, and he's gonna have for a bag this.
Oh, very
It's so
nice.
soft.
Should we show? Let's go this way. This is all the Halloween
I
stuff.
can see these cups. This one, Sylvan would love this one, green.
Yeah. We've got a lot of Halloween stuff, don't they?
Oh, I would love this one.
All the candy.
I would love this one.
Yeah. With the skull.
Yep. And it's even pink.
And then they've got over here. This is where she found her mask.
Yep.
We've got all sorts of masks.
I didn't like this one much. This one looked cooler.
This one doesn't. Oh, it's hard.
Oh, this is zombie stuff.
All the face paint. I'll have to get some of that too for fun.
Pretty. You should wear that hair
Yep.
for Halloween.
It's not that far away.
My hair. That could be my hair. Kitty cat with hair. Well, kitty cats do have hair, but not this kind.
Not that kind. You're gonna be a rainbow
Kitty
cat
cat.
princess.
Yeah, rainbow kitty cat princess with, yeah, pretty much that.